attitude applied to TMD, to temporomandibular dysfunction. As you know, it's existed, we funded quite a bit. We have 48 individual awards right now. But have we really come up with a patient-centered approach? Was the question we asked ourselves. We learned from the Academy's report. We had the dedication of a patient advocacy group led, by just individuals who care so deeply. Terry Carley, I thank you for that commitment, and brought to play individuals from different institutes and centers. So there's a multi-council group of representatives that made recommendations with the work of Melissa Gim and Amanda Mihil and Lillian. It was thought that we best unfold this as a national collaborative. And you can see that this is just not involving the joint itself, but periarticular conditions, periarticular tissues, other conditions, comorbidity, including migraines and etc. So it's a very complex spectrum of disorders that we need to unravel far better, in a far better way than we have before, with the patient in the center. Thank you for those who actually did respond to our call for what is this doing to your lives? And I will say that individuals are driven to suicides, and we get those notices as well, because of just extreme pain and discomfort, not being able to open your mouth, failed surgeries, etc. So, and we have to do this in a manner that would create a wave of change for the future. And it includes involving multi-stakeholders, and we've got a really brilliant group of partners from NIH, educating and training the next generation to get involved in this research, right? And to keep that enthusiasm up. So this is called impact. So the first one is ahead, impact, and then we have one more coming. So this is the timeline in place for the release of the announcement, and we are obviously wanting to support a planning phase initially, hoping that teams will coalesce together in a very thoughtful way to address not all of the goals, but at least many in a very multidisciplinary way. We encourage outside participation from experts in pain and neurosciences, in skeletal biology, in cartilage regeneration, the whole spectrum. And after the planning phase, we will visit the concept of implementation and the execution of the research. So that's the way it's going to unfold.